everyone, my name is Katya and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the simple and easy heart. It works up in 3 rounds, so let's get to it and create something great. This heart is measuring 3 inches tall and 3.5 inches wide. For this project I'm using Craft Smart number 4 medium weight yarn, 5mm crochet hook, scissors and a tapestry needle. We're going to start with the magic ring. To work a magic ring, hold your tail with your thumb, wrap your yarn around your 2 fingers, crisscross it in the front, holding your working yarn with your ring finger, insert your hook into the first circle, using the second circle, pull out a loop, go into the working yarn and chain 1. Chain 1 more, so far we have 2 chains. The 2 chains don't count as anything. Let's work 12 double crochets into the ring. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If it's hard for you to hold on to your work, just go ahead and pull on this tail a little bit and it'll tighten the center and it'll be easier for you to hold on to. 10, 11, and 12. Pull on this tail to tighten the center. Slip stitch into the first double crochet. For round 2, chain 1. Going back into the same stitch right over here, we're going to work 2 half double crochets. Here's 1, and work the second one back into that same stitch. So here we have 2 half double crochets. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Into the next 8 stitches, we're going to work 2 double crochets into each stitch. So here's 1 and the second one back into that same stitch. Work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. 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 And 1 more, 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And here you should have 8 sets of 2 double crochets. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 2 stitches left. And what we're going to do is work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. And into the last stitch, we're going to work 2 half double crochets. So here's my first one. And here's my second one back into that same stitch. To end this round, go ahead and slip stitch into the first half double crochet. And round 2 is finished. Round 3 is our last round. Chain 1. Back into that same stitch, we're going to work 1 single crochet. Into the following stitch, we're going to work 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet. So here's 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet, all worked into the same stitch. Into the following stitch, work 2 double crochet. Here's 1 and 2. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. Here's 1 and 2. Into the following stitch, work 2 half double crochets. So here's one, and my second one back into that same stitch. Into the following 5 stitches, we're going to work 1 single crochet. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we did one side of the heart and we're coming to the bottom of the heart. So let's go ahead and work on that. Into the next stitch, we're going to work 1 half double crochet and 1 double crochet, all into that same stitch. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet, all worked in the same stitch, like so. Now we're going to be working on this side. So what we're going to do is work 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Into the next stitch, work 2 half double crochets. Here's 1 and 2. Into the following stitch, work 2 double crochets. Here's 1 and 2. Into the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Now we have 2 stitches left, and what we're going to do is work 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet, all into that same stitch. And into the last stitch, work 1 single crochet. To end this round, slip stitch into the first single crochet right over here. And let's fasten up, cut our yarn. And all we need to do now is work on the tails, and your heart is pretty much finished. I'm going to use my double crochets from the first round, and what I like to do is going into the back loops, I'm going to pick up my stitches. So it's not showing in the front, it's only in the back. Go ahead and pull through the needle like so. Then going back into the opposite direction, I'm going to drop 1 loop, and I'm inserting my needle into those stitches once again. Pull through. Once again, drop 1 of the loops and go ahead and use those stitches and pull out your needle, and you're done. Let's cut this tail. I'm going to bring my tail to the back using 1 of the stitches and pull through. Using any of the stitches along this side, I'm going to insert my needle using those stitches. Pull through. Now dropping 1 of the loops of the stitch, I'm going to go back the opposite direction. Pull through, and 1 more time, dropping 1 of the loops. I'm going to insert my needle and pull through and cut your tail. And your heart is finished. You can use it in any projects of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.